careers. Let us see what do we have when we call about mathematics based careers. First, let's understand what is this mathematics all about. Are you very intrigued about numbers, formulas, structures, shapes and their spaces? Number theories, algebra, geometry and analysis excites you? You go mad about, are you crazy about some of these topics? Well, as you know, most mathematical activity is about the discovery of properties of various objects which are abstract and use of pure reason and to prove them. So if you are very curious about these phenomenon, well, mathematics is not just limited to only to develop some of those theories, formulas, structures and all, but it has become an essential part of various different disciplines, academic disciplines, various sectors, various segments. Today, without mathematics, literally there's no field. Everybody thinks that mathematics is a pure science related subject, but it is essential in natural sciences, engineering, medicine, finance, commerce, computer science, social sciences, whatnot, everywhere. Analytics, today analytics play a crucial role. So mathematics is the pure basis of that. So if you are a student who's very curious and intrigued and very fascinated about these formulas, shapes, structures, reasoning, logic, proving or deriving some reason and prove them from the abstract objects, then these are the careers that you should look forward to, and you are at the right place watching this video. So let's look at what are some of those purely mathematics driven careers. Let's look at what do we have. Actuary or actuarial science. This is all about the risk planning, the risk mitigation. Actuary is all about analyzing financial risks, primarily using a lot of mathematical concepts and statistics, so that organizations can make informed decisions. It could be banking, finance, insurance sector, or many segments for that matter. Okay, of course, statistician is a traditional career we could call about, which is all about collecting and interpreting data. Today, whatever those lot of data science, data analytics, business analytics, operations analytics, all of them, the base purely is maths and statistics that you need to understand. So if you are very curious, and of course you could become a researcher in the field of statistics as well. And as you see on your screen, if you are wanting to apply some of the mathematical and analytical methods to optimize the decision-making process for various organizations in various sectors and various domains, then mathematics is the key for you, my friends. So let's see furthermore. You could also become a mathematical modeler. Everybody talks about a fashion model and all, but you could also become mathematical model, which is called as mathematical modeler, which is to simulate and solve complex problems. And of course, the most run after career, data analyst or data scientist, which is about playing around with the data, which requires a lot of large data sets by which you could one could derive a lot of insights to develop in various business strategies and make informed decisions. And of course, quantitative analyst. This is again applying mathematical and statistical models to various financial markets and investments. You look at this, you are very keen on mathematics, but you don't want to go do the typical engineering kind of work or science kind of work, then get into financial markets and investments with maths as your major, and of course you could choose commerce as the other subjects. And of course, market research analyst, economist, mathematics educator, which is quite obvious in any subject, in any academic discipline. Becoming an educator, becoming a faculty member or a teacher is eventual. Economist is again one of the big ticket item career, I must say that, which is about studying economic data and trends to provide a lot of innovative and modern solution to the traditional economic issues. and also the market research analyst. This is about understanding the consumer behavior and various market trends and so on. Cryptographer. It is another interesting, which is basically developing, and applying certain mathematical algorithms. This is purely for the data encryption and security, which is basically, today the world is filled with too much of data, and it is essential to protect the data and of course apply for certain security measures to the data. So cryptography is that area that one, if you wish to pursue. And the next one is mathematical biologist. Mathematics can be applied into various biological processes as well. Content development, finance consultant, these are the other careers, purely math based careers, my friends. And risk analysis, mathematical tutor, mathematics software developer. This is, I mean, something fascinating. The one who designs software for mathematical modeling and analysis. Today, you could use this software programming, and though that's the basis of mathematics. And of course, you look at mathematical illustrator, who creates visual representations, various concepts and educational materials. You may want to call them as an instructional designer or a content creator as well, purely on the mathematics. So those are some of the contemporary mathematics based careers. Now let's also look at some of the futuristic and trending mathematics careers. So here you go. The first one, which is most trending, I must say, data scientists or data analytics. This is purely helping organizations to make data driven decisions, analyze a lot of large complex data sets and interpret them so that the organizations can help make meaningful decisions and strategic decisions, so that their growth is on the right path. And of course, machine learning engineer. There's a lot of buzz around artificial intelligence and machine learning. Machine learning engineers, you must have heard about this. They design and develop algorithms and models that enable machines to learn from data and make predictions. This is all about teaching that machine how effectively it could be, how well it could do, how well it could replace the repetitive mundane type of things. And of course, quantitative analyst, which is primarily to analyze the financial risk assessment and trading arenas. And here is another one, cryptocurrency analyst. So cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, these are all primarily based on certain formulas and concepts. So which has a lot of future prospects. Of course, actually we have talked about it, and mathematical biologist is also the one, though it appears to be a traditional career, which is also a lot of promising and futuristic prospects for this, my friends. And of course, look at here some of the other interesting careers. Mathematical physicist, these are the professionals who explore the mathematical foundations of physics, so that they could develop new theories and models. You may want to call them as a researcher or a scientist kind of it. Now, mathematical optimization specialist. These are the people who solve complex problems, especially in logistics, supply chain, resource allocation, using mathematical optimization techniques. There's a lot of techniques. I want you to pick up these clues and then do your own research. Primarily, if you could choose a maths, physics, chemistry background at your +2 level, or maths, economics, commerce as another option that you could choose. Here are some of those careers that we just talked about. Those are the potential possibilities purely based on mathematics and statistics. And of course, as you see on your screen, quantum computing theorists. They work on advancing algorithms related to quantum algorithms and quantum information science. So it's very crucial. It's very crucial. So this is an indicative list. Whatever you have seen so far is an indicative list. Pick up these clues, do a deep dive as I always mention, and then do your due diligence, talk to your mentor, counselor, and then make an informed career decision. If you're purely fascinated about numbers, theories, formulas, analytics, solving some of the critical problems, and so on and so forth. So I hope that sets some context to you and give an idea that if you wish to pursue something purely based on mathematics as an academic journey, so those are the careers that you could embark into, my friends. I hope that was useful, and I wish you to do your own research and then make an informed career decision. Thank you.